has a good history. According to our geography, Manila is the capital city, the key point of the other country. Metro Manila, Quezon City, Caloocan, Pasay, Makati, Marikina, Pasig, Sabote, Malabon, Las Piñas, Parañaque. From the north, Batangas, Apar, Ilocos Sur, Ilocos Norte, Isabela, Cagayan Valley, Mountain Province, La Union, Baguio City, Nueva Ecija, Nueva Vizcaya, Tarlac, Pangasinan, Pampanga, Zambales, Bataan, Abra, Bulacan, Cavite, Batangas,